This is called I Heart Question Mark by Taylor Swift. Concentrated, love is complicated. It was something I just fell into. And it was overrated, but just look what I created. Came in love and I'm breaking blue. Will you ask me if I'm alright? Think about what I have with you. I got to smell the bank up, cause nothing put on my mind. My fashion plan. And I bet you feel even you could only think about that one question mark written on the back of my head. Run, you just like that, you had talk about it time. You were wrong and I was right. I can't believe we made it to the home call like a baby wake up of its phone. Yeah, now. Oh, what's that? You know I asked for you and I. It's not you and I. You know she put me through a happy. My God, then break up the time I put on my makeup. With my friends and friends. What did she about to do? What she can always think I got an heart question mark written on the back of my head.